Guys, today we'll be going over lesson 42 for second grade. So let's start with 3-digit addition. Number 3, it says 394 plus 331. So like always, we're going to rewrite the numbers on the side. Making sure that we line up all of the numbers. So the ones placed here. Then the tens place here, and then the hundreds place here. So now we know we lined up all of our numbers, we can start adding. So let's start in the ones place. We have 4 plus 1, which is just 5. And then the tens place, 9 plus 3 equals 12. That's 1 plus 3, which equals 7. So the answer to that is 725. And that's it. That's how you do the 3-digit addition on this page. Now let's go on to comparing numbers. We'll do number 4, comparing 80 with 100 minus 32. So first we're going to have to solve what 100 minus 32 is in order to compare that with 80. So let's subtract. Now in the ones place here we have 0 minus 2. Since we can't do that, we're going to have to regroup. Now we have a 10 minus 3 here. So we'll regroup, make that a 9. In these one place, bring a 10. Now we have 10 minus 2, which is 8. In tens place we have 9 minus 3, which equals 6. So this is 68. Comparing that with 80. Now if you look here, the tens place, we have 8 tens in this number, we have 6 tens here. Since 8 tens is more than 6 tens, we know that this is the bigger number. Remember, the math always opens up to the bigger number. Now let's go on to number 9. We have 55 and 155. Let's just compare the places here. We're always starting off with the leftmost place. And here, it's the hundreds place because we have 1 here. And here we have nothing, so that's just a 0. We have 100 here. And we have 0 hundreds here. We know that 1 is more than having nothing at all. So the math is going to open up to 155 because it is the bigger number. And that's it. That's how you solve this question, these questions. Now let's go into place value. Let's do number 4. We have these blocks. But first off, let's sort which one is which. These square boxes, these are hundreds. These are hundreds blocks. And these are tens. They look like sticks. If you count them one by one, we have 10 here. If you count these one by one, there are 100. Oops, the tens would be in red. And then the ones are individual blocks like this. These are ones. So now we know which one is which. Let's go on to our question number 4. We have 1, 2, 3 sticks, and these are, remember, these are tens. So basically we have 3 tens, and ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. Now what would that be? 3 tens means that we have a 3 in the tens place, and we have a 6 in the ones place, so the number is 36. That's the number that is shown by these blocks. Lastly, let's go into word problems. We'll do number 5 as our example. We have this question. There are 3 jars of cookies in a kitchen. If each jar has 6 cookies each, how many cookies are there in all? So there are many ways you can do this. One way is to draw these jars. We'll just do circles, 1, 2, 3 jars with 6 cookies to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 cookies in each jar. You can count them all up. Another thing you can do is, since we know there are 6 here, 6. Oops. Since since we know there are 6 in each jar, we will add 6 from jar 1, 6 from jar 2, and 6 from jar 3. Because there's 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. You're just counting and adding those up. There are other ways you can do it, but let's go with the second one. Since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm gonna add that to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add 6 plus 6 equals 12. Equals 12. Then we're gonna add this 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Bring down the 1. There are 18 cookies in all. Oops. And that is the answer. So all we did was we counted that there are 6 cookies here, 6 cookies here, 6 cookies here. So we're gonna add them up 3 times. See, this 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. So we added up 6 3 times to get 18 cookies. And that's how you do these problems. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching.